Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a mandarin, and here are the materials that you need. To make the whole mandarin, roll and condition the orange and sunflower yellow mixture. Make a log and slice it. Roll the sliced clay into a ball with a size of 5 to 7 millimeter. To create the texture of the mandarin, roll the ball on an 80 grit sandpaper. Next, create a small hole in the center of the mandarin for the stalk, and then create lines around the holes like the one shown on the photo. And then attach the stalk using green clay. Add some texture, bake completely, and let it cool. For the peeled whole mandarin, use the translucent white mixture. Slice the clay and create a ball sizing 5 millimeter. This will eventually get bigger once you create the slices, so try not to go over 5 millimeter. And then add texture using the same sandpaper. When creating the skinless mandarin, use the back of the dish sponge because this will create a nice vein-like texture for the mandarin. So make a small hole in the center of the ball and then start creating the individual slices. You can create lines in the center to make 4 individual parts, and from there you can slice each part to half. You will have a total of 8 individual slices. And then use a dotting tool to emphasize the lines more. Once you are done, pre-bake and let it cool. While waiting for the pre-baked clay to cool, let's start making the zest and the rind. Flatten the leftover orange clay mixture and a white clay. Place the white clay on top of the orange clay and then again flatten them more using the rolling pin. Don't put too much pressure because we will have a hard time taking it off. As you can see, it's already trying to rip apart. Next, shade the white rind with vanilla and sunflower chalk pastel mixture. Next, cut the mandarin skin to the size that will fit the mandarin. And then next, use a toothbrush and something pointy to create texture on the rind. After creating the texture, add a small dot of liquid clay on the bottom of the mandarin before placing it on top of the skin. Bake the clay completely and let it cool. And to make the peeled mandarin more realistic, paint the mandarin with white acrylic paint. Thank you for watching this tutorial and enjoy your new project. Don't forget to click subscribe and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.